To the full Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 3:28 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is December 22nd. Well, today silver was up $1.41, almost touching the $70 level. Now, we've had pretty much a vertical ascent since it stopped around the $50 level back in early November. So I think it is probably time to start thinking about when are we going to have the next consolidation. And since $70 is a big round number, it's a candidate. But there's no sign of any slowdown just yet. And we also saw that gold broke out to new highs today. Both platinum and palladium are playing catch up. Within the industrial metals, we have copper, aluminium, tin, lithium, all doing well. At the other side of that extreme, you have, and I guess zinc is pretty much going sideways, but you have lead and nickel that are completely inert, and that's because there's no shortage of those metals. Then what we have in the energy sector, we had oil prices up today in a fairly dynamic manner. Certainly the strongest dynamic we've seen in a while. So that confirms at least near-term support in the region of the April and October lows. So we're certainly getting quite a bit of bullish interest in the commodities sector. Then in Asia this morning, we had China, which was steady, and the H-share index is in the region of the 200-day moving average right now. What I think is different from the significant bull trend that we had in commodities and emerging markets the last time around is that it's not being led by China on this occasion. This is more about industrial demand and infrastructure development in the developed world, and it's soaking up available supply from around the world. And this, of course, is a lot to do with the build out of AI infrastructure as well as the resource nationalism, because I think, particularly following the invasion of Ukraine by Russia, it has thrown onto the main policy, I guess, ambitions of different governments that they need to have domestic sources of supply for key minerals and metals. Now, the Japanese market this morning was up 1.8%, so firming from the region of the 50,000 level. And that was also, I guess, politically motivated. You had the finance minister coming out and saying, well, I think that the strength in the yen wasn't really merited last Friday, and maybe we should intervene. So certainly an attempt to try and talk the market lower. So that was certainly bullish for the stock market. Now, the Australian market was up today by about 0.9%. So we're seeing that more of